All right, y'all. Bitcoin, our favorite cryptocurrency asset, which we love to trade. This is going to be a very quick yet very thorough technical analysis video where we go over the Bitcoin chart, talking about the levels that we're looking for as well as the trades that I am currently in. So make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. All right, y'all. So let's get into it. I want to start with this yellow diagonal area of resistance that we have been respecting multiple times in the past. So we can see that we had this yellow line, tapped it once, tapped it twice. Now we broke out of this resistance. Now something very important that happened when we broke out of this resistance was we came to the high of the value area of the range that Bitcoin has been putting in since the dump that we got all the way back on the 3rd of December. And when we came up to that value area, we also knocked into this golden pocket, which we get from pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from this swing high here to the low right here. Now, these two golden pockets have made for some very nice trades so far. First of all, this golden pocket down here actually was a trade that we took here in the VIP Discord, where we were looking at that golden pocket to potentially come down and get a long from here. You can see we were looking to come down below this previous low into that golden pocket for a nice little bounce. And that is exactly what happened, right, guys? We got our bounce, rode it all the way to the high of the range where we ran into this golden pocket. And as we were coming up to that high, well, that's where we were then looking for the short, which we did take over here in the VIP Discord. By the way, this is the Discord where I post daily technical analysis updates, as well as potential trade setups. You can join by going to patreon.com/Jason Casper. So you can see as we're coming to this exact area, the golden pocket, we also had a 76 here. It was also the value area high. We are looking for price to make a higher high as market cipher B makes a lower high, and that is called a bearish divergence. So we come over to the 1 hour time frame here, and we can see that as we came up into this golden pocket right here, market cipher B was making lower highs as price was making higher highs. And so that signals to us it is time to get into a short, which I am currently still in. Now, what is happening right now is that we are back testing this yellow trend line. Okay, we are back testing this yellow trend line. If we are not able to come back above this, I would expect us to come lower. Something else we need to keep in mind is the fact that the point of control of the range, which used to be down around this area here, has shifted to up here. So if we're just looking at this as a sideways range and we're doing the good old buy low, sell high, which I do like to do. Let's turn off all this other stuff for a second here. We can see that we came from the low to the high and are now not only back inside the value area, but are also underneath the point of control, which means it is probable that we do come back down to the low of the range. But before we get there, there are a few areas of support and resistance, well, a few areas of support that we need to be aware of. And the main areas of support are, number one, this 382 right here. Okay, this 382 right here. Which we currently are getting a bounce off of. In fact, I'm currently long from this 382. We've been watching this for a while in the Discord yesterday. The first major area of support that we were looking to come down to was this box right here around the 382. And we did get a very, very nice bounce from that box last night. Okay, and so I'm currently long from here. Now, if we lose that 382, I believe we're going to have a very swift move down to this golden pocket area around 47,000. And if we lose 47,000, then I believe we are going to find our support around this $46,000 level. These are the three main areas of support that we have along the way down. Along the way down here. And if we are unable to hold any of these fib supports, then I do believe that we're going to come back down to the golden pocket that we have down here. Okay, so these would be the four major areas of support that I'd be looking for. Now, what about resistances right now? Well, we do have some local resistances up here, but I do believe that if we are able to break out of this and hold above this yellow trend line here and come back above the point of control, if we're able to do something like this, then I think the next major area of resistance that we have is going to be this golden pocket up here around $52,000 to $53,000. So these are the levels locally right here, guys. Now, by the way, if you do want to learn how to trade like this and you're unfamiliar with how to find these levels, how to find these trade setups, check out jasoncaspertrading.com, because this course will give you the knowledge and the skills that you need to become a confident, profitable trader. This is changing the way thousands of people approach the markets. I get messages every day from people who have actually been able to quit their job and trade full time after taking the course and have put into practice the things that we go through here, where we teach you, even if you've never looked at a chart before, all the TA you need to know, how I use market Cipher to find trade setups, as well as the various different trading strategies that I use to get into those trades, risk management. There's currently a 35% discount in the description of this video right now, guys. Make sure to take advantage of that if you're interested, because this is the best discount we are going to have ever. I guarantee that. And yeah, 35% discount in the description. Also, guys, if you do want to get into the VIP Discord where we give the trade setups, like the Ethereum trade, the short that we're currently in from up here, this fib area that we wanted to short, and of course then that actually happens and we come down and we're still short from there. And we have a thriving community of traders in here trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. You can check out patreon.com/JasonCasper. So let's get a little bit more higher time frame here on Bitcoin. So if we are able to come up above this golden pocket, the $53,000 area, then the next major area of resistance that we have is going to be around that $57,000 area, because you can see we do have a golden pocket up here, as well as a point of control for the whole year. And then if we lose this golden pocket right down here, let's say we come back down to the bottom of the range and instead of getting our bounce, we lose it, well, then we actually have the yearly value area low coming in right around 39,000. So this would be a major area of support that I'd be looking for. As well as, we do have to be aware that we do have some fib support right here around 43.5K. So really, if we're just looking at this screen that we see right here, we basically just went from very local to more macro. And so whether you're scalping or day trading or swing trading, these are some of the levels that you would want to be aware of for Bitcoin. All right. So one more thing I do want to say, guys, make sure to like the video if you enjoyed this content. But there is another trend line that we could potentially be looking at here. And this one, as you can see, is by connecting this high and these highs. Instead of connecting the first two highs, we're connecting the first and the third high. And in this case, you could say that we have broken out of it and have not even come back down for the retest. So if we do come back down for a retest, potentially we could be looking to this golden pocket right here. If it takes us a while to get down there, I mean, that would really take us a while, right? We're talking tomorrow. If we eventually make our way down there tomorrow to get a bounce off the golden pocket for a retest and come up higher like that. But right now, the 382, 48K, that is our support. We've been holding this since last night, right? For 12 hours, give or take. We've been holding this support. And so I'm currently long from here, currently short from here, currently long from here, currently short from here. Also still in a short from up here, guys. So I call that being in a schlong, right? Being in a schlong, no matter what happens right now, I'm in a pretty good position because I'm in multiple positions and stop losses are at entries. Whatever happens now, I'll be making money. Alright, guys, God bless everyone. In the name of Yeshua the Messiah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Alright, peace.